covers with AI. Now, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can just use prompts, or you can use a custom GPT that I built called the Book Cover Genius. So let's start with just some prompts you can use. Probably you'll have a title of your novel and also a plot. So you would want to put the title, the plot, your author name, anything else you want in the image into the prompt. I just asked ChatGPT to come up with one. So I'm going to pick one of these and put it into my prompt for the book cover image. So here's the prompt that I'm using. Please generate a stunning, epic, and cinematic book cover image for a romance novel called A Second Chance in Paris. And here's the plot summary to inspire the image. The more information you give, the better. It's also helpful to give the author names. I'm just going to put my name in there. Obviously, put your own. And anything else you want to add, you can add that into the prompt. And let's see what we get. Look, we got a great image. It's not formatted as a book cover, but you can simply add that to the next prompt. And here we have it formatted as a more like a book cover, which is about 6x9. There is no title or author name, but I do like this image. You could go to Canva or Photoshop or wherever to add the title. You could pay somebody on Fiverr to do that for you as well. But as far as a book cover image, I like this one. Now let's do a horror novel book cover image. And here's again the prompt, which I'll have in the description of this video. So don't worry about that. Please generate a stunning, epic, and cinematic book cover image that is movie poster worthy for a horror novel called Whispering Pines Asylum. The image should be 6x9, standard book cover image size, and include both the title and the author name. Give my author name. Here's the plot summary. And let's get to the book cover. So that's actually pretty good. It's got most of my name correct and most of the title correct, but the image itself is really good. That's a book that I would like to read and pick off the shelf. Let's see if we can fix it. And then I'll show you the custom GPT way of doing this, which is a little bit easier. Again, not perfect, but I do, again, really like the book cover image. You could easily correct this in Canva, Photoshop, or hire somebody on Fiverr or another graphic designer to fix that for you. But the image itself is really good, which is the most important thing. Let's create the same book cover image, at least for the same story, in my custom ChatGPT, which I call Book Cover Genius. And you can try this out for yourself and check it out at a link in the description of this video. And so I'm just going to paste the same instructions in here. Please generate a stunning, epic, and cinematic book cover. This is my second generation of this. The first one I didn't like. Again, you can regenerate these as many times as you want to get better results. You can tweak things, you can change things. But even on my second try, I got much better text that's accurate. The image is great. It's much closer to a final version. You can just download this again and, fix it any way you want to. You can make a book cover mockups for advertising and marketing very easily with this as well. So that's an example of how to use this custom GPT to make your book covers with AI. You can do this with any genre, actually novels or fiction or nonfiction. Again, in the description of this video, you'll see my prompts. You'll get a link to this custom GPT if you want to check it out. And let me know if you like it. Any questions you have in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.